You know what it refers to? You know what laurel leaves? We use cinnamon leaves for cooking, right? Yeah, laurel. The Filipinos use it for their cooking.
Yes.
Like we use now, it's becoming a fashion in India, Asia. It's called allspice, you know.
Yes.
We have a phrase in English also, don't be sitting on your laurels, right?
Yes.
Because that's a crown that the Olympic winners used to wear. And even today in Italy, a PhD is called a laurea. Okay? And they don't toss the hat, they wear a crown of those leaves. So this was a hillock full of those leaves, those crowns, laurel leaves. So it was called Loretto in Latin, so it became Loretto. So the name is because of the laurel leaves. Now what do we have here? We don't have here Our Lady. We have the three walls of the house where Our Lady was born. So this is the house of Joachim and St. She grew up here in this house, and this is the house where she received the Annunciation. Okay.